I am the HVAC Repair Guy. Today we are looking at two dual-hose heat pump models. The Soleus Air LX-140 is priced around $520. The Friedrich ZHV16DA is priced around $749. The single biggest technical difference is the compressor design. One uses a standard single-speed induction motor. The other uses a variable-speed inverter. Both units utilize a dual-hose design, which is critical for cooling efficiency and indoor air quality. Single-hose units dump indoor air outside and create negative pressure. Negative pressure pulls hot air in through window seals and door cracks. A dual-hose setup draws outdoor air through one pipe to cool the condenser coils. It exhausts heated air through the second pipe. That sealed process keeps room air inside and prevents infiltration drafts. The Friedrich ZHV16DA uses an inverter compressor that continuously modulates its running speed based on heat load. Traditional compressors like the one inside the Soleus Air LX-140 run at full capacity until the thermostat opens, then shut off completely. The Soleus Air LX-140 lists an energy efficiency ratio of 8.7, compared to 8.4 on the Friedrich ZHV16DA. EER measures performance under full load conditions at 95 degrees outdoor temperature. Because the inverter ramps down during moderate cooling load, real-world bills often favor variable operation over single-speed cycling. The Soleus Air carries a 46 decibel rating, while the Friedrich is rated at 53 decibels. On paper, 46 decibels is noticeably quieter during peak operation. However, single-speed compressors hard start with an audible electrical hum and mechanical clunk. The steady speed modulation of an inverter compressor often creates a less disruptive background sound inside a bedroom. Both units feature washable air filters that must be cleaned every 2 weeks to maintain airflow. If dust builds up, airflow drops, refrigerant pressure plunges, and ice forms on the evaporator coil. Smart features include Wi-Fi and voice control capability on the Friedrich ZHV16DA. The Soleus Air LX-140 relies strictly on manual controls and a standard remote. Warranty coverage reveals a major difference in manufacturer confidence. Soleus Air covers both the unit and the compressor for just 1 year. Friedrich offers a 1-year general unit warranty but extends compressor coverage to 5 years. Replacing a seized compressor on a portable air conditioner exceeds the cost of a new unit. Extended compressor coverage is critical protection against early equipment failure. Between these two units, the Friedrich ZHV16DA is the better purchase despite the higher price tag. While the Soleus Air LX-140 costs less upfront and carries a slightly higher rated EER, the Friedrich delivers superior long-term value. Its variable speed inverter technology and 5-year compressor warranty outweigh the initial cost savings. The Friedrich offers better temperature stability and greater protection against premature sealed system failure.